Hello and welcome to the morning podcast with Asavari. Here we share all the important details that you need to know before taking a trade. So let's take a quick glance at global market. Wall Street's major indices tumbled more than 2% on Friday as several US states imposed business restrictions in response to surge in coronavirus cases. Asian share market got off to a shaky start on Monday as the restlessness spread of coronavirus finally made investors question their optimism on global economy, benefiting safe harbor bonds and the US dollar. Trends on SGX Nifty indicate negative opening for broader index in India with a loss of 51 points. Nifty futures were trading around 10,288 level on Singaporean exchange. On institutional level, FIIs sold shares worth rupees 753 crore, while DIIs bought shares worth rupees 1304 crore on June 26. Lastly, let's take a look at few stock specifics. In Andhra Paper, Radhakrishna Damani's Bright Star Investment acquired 5 lakh shares in the company. ITC's quarter 4 profit at rupees 3797 crore versus 3481 crore. Revenue stands at 11420 crore versus 12206 crore year on year. In IOC, the profit stands at 1597 crore versus the loss of 70.6 crores. Revenue at rupees 2607 crore versus rupees 3097 crore year on year. Adani Transmission, the company acquired Kharghar Vikroi Transmission Private Limited from Maharashtra State Electricity Transmission Company. And lastly, the results that we are expecting today are Bharat Forge, Bharat Electronics, Petronet LNG, Central Bank of India, Parag Milk Foods, PC Jewelers, Phoenix Mills, Punjab and Sindh Bank, Raymond, Reliance Communication, Religare Enterprises, Shri Renuka Sugars, Rail Vikas Nigam, and Shakti Pump, among others. Thank you. That's all from my side. I hope you're staying safe and taking care of yourself in this COVID 19 period. Thank you.